Hey everyone, this is Marcus from YouTube Health Solutions. I hope everyone's doing okay today. I have an amazing topic for you today that will help you stay relaxed and feel refreshed after stepping out of the shower. What I do to feel good and look good, it's great for the skin by the way, is drink water in the shower. So what am I doing? I'm detoxifying myself. I'm hydrating myself. And I am ensuring that I'm at the utmost quality for the day. Now, how is this done? It's real simple. I don't have any fruits or vegetables in here. Nothing extra. All I do, there's some lint in my hair. Get that out of there. Okay. Well, I don't put anything extra in here. I just turn the shower on really hot, bathe, and I sip my water during my bathing session in the shower. Make sense? So, let's say I'm washing my chest. I like to wash my body in segments. So, I scrub my chest, rinse off, drink some water. I enjoy the steam. Then scrub the rest of my body, rinse off, drink some water. And as I'm doing that, my sinuses are draining. My eyes are really relaxing. My muscles get really, really relaxed. And I feel really good. So that is my technique for relaxation, great skin, and excellent cleansing and detoxification. So if you like what I said, please like it. Please feel free to comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you all have a great day. Talk to you later.